Hello! Welcome back to my channel. This is Victoria. Welcome to Pembroke Beauty if you are new. And today I'm doing something a little different. I am showing you some DIY clothing hacks, etc. Just like stuff that I did to my clothes to make them more myself, because I didn't want to spend a whole bunch of money and I wanted to make them cute and personalized. So I'm giving you some tips and tricks and examples of what I did to get cute clothes. So I'm going to show you first how I ended up putting patches onto some of my clothing items, and I'm going to start with a pair of jeans that I did a lot to, and I will probably go through that more in detail, but let's jump in. So I started with these jeans from Hollister, and it says on here that they're $60, but they were not. I bought them for $20 because they were on clearance. My big reason for getting these was because I did not even own a pair of capris, and I really wanted to make my own to make them personalized and really cute. So I came across these and they fit, and they were a little bit too short because I am tall, but that was ideal because I, like I said, wanted to make them into capris anyway. So the first thing I did when I got these was cut holes in them and distress them a little bit, and then I folded up the bottoms and tied them into place with the little ties that they already had because I wanted to make them shorter and into capris. Okay, so I'm going to put this little cactus into my pocket on the back of my jeans, and I have my iron set with no steam at the cotton setting, which is the highest setting at around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I have the ironing board in between my jeans so that they're not laying on top of each other, and I placed my little guy where I want him, and then I have a cloth that I'm just going to place over top, and I'm going to put my iron right on top and push down for 45 seconds. So now that I did the one side, now I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to do the other side to complete the process here. Dun, da, da, da. Look at how cute he is! So if you're going to do some that are in like the pant leg, just make sure that you put a cloth in between the legs, like the front and back of the pants, and then place your little iron-on patches, put another cloth over top, and repeat. So this is what it ended up looking like. And also, don't be afraid. I usually do this just in case. After I iron them on, I will like kind of tack them down and hand sew them into place. You don't have to do that, but I do think that it holds them in place longer and better so that you don't have to really worry about them peeling off or falling off or anything like that. So just some words of wisdom. So obviously this is what they look like finished. I am waiting on a sun patch to put right above the llama on my back pocket, but I think they are so cute. I love how they turned out. I want to get another pair from anywhere really to totally do this again, but I hope you guys like them because I love them. got this hat at Walmart, and I think it was like $2 and some cents, and I got this patch at Michael's, and it was just a really cute unicorn, and I sewed that one on there by hand. And then these shorts, I believe I got at Target a couple years ago, and I found these patches. All the patches that I used are either from Michael's, Joann Fabrics, or Walmart, and I think I got these at Michael's, and I just sewed those on as well. I just thought they were really cute and quirky, and I liked them on the black shorts. And then this hat I also got from Walmart for the same price, like $2, and I found this patch at Hot Topic, and I think I got it for free actually when I bought something, and I thought it was a really cute patch. So, and then these shorts I got actually at Marshall's, but they are American Eagle, and they're like the comfiest shorts I've ever owned in my entire life, as a side note. But I got these patches, little cow and little kitty and the butterflies and flowers, and I put those on and got them from Walmart. And then this sweatshirt I bought from Forever 21, and it was on sale for like $2.50, which was awesome. And I got this patch when I went to Universal Studios for like $5. So I basically made the cutest sweatshirt ever for $7.50. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I know that it's not a makeup video, but I thought that it was fun and worthwhile watching because I do like watching videos like this. So if you did like it, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so that you get notifications every single time I upload. Bye!